Got these cylinder heads right here. 675s, nothing special. I'm gonna be porting the heads. Got these off eBay, I believe, because it was pretty cheap, and my other heads were 675s, but they needed the valve guides redone, and I didn't want to pay the money to have them redone. But I'm gonna come in here and knock all this out, the casting slag, port the cylinder heads, all that jazz. Maybe I'll make a video of it. Sometime I'll be doing something with that too. I got plans. Just feel how irregular it is just from the factory. On the intake side, you just feel how there's a sharp line coming up through here from the casting. Smooth it out, and I'll also be welding up the exhaust crossover. Yeah, pretty cool.